welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix scroll position in Figma, prototype scrolling and overflow and the sticky. So guys, here you see this is my application which name is Job Finder, and this is the UI of my main home page. Okay, so guys, here you see first thing is why we use the scroll positions. So guys, scroll position help us to stay and away the element from the screen when we scroll. So it help if you want that you want to, like here I am show you, if you want to disappear this search bar when you scroll up, then it go up in the screen with the parent. But if you want like the system that it stay always only this portion is moving. Okay, that's why we are using the scroll behaviors. Okay, now here I am show you, like currently here you see, if I highlight this one, so first I select to scroll with parents. Okay, now this is my viewer page where I am show you. Now here you see this is my search bar. When I scroll up, then it moving with my parent screen. Here you see. Okay, now if I want to stay, so I'm just stay in the place, click on fixed, then I'm go. Now guys, here you see that the search box is stay at the place and all the elements are moving. Here you see I am moving, but search at it same place. Okay, this one. Another thing is sticky, stop at the top edge. Sticky means it moved and moved until it not reached to the top end. When it reached to the top end, it automatically stopped. Here you see when I move up, and here you see now it is stop. Here you see the search logo is here. So this is the way that we can use the scroll behavior in the Figma. And how you use it, you just select the portion of your component. Okay, and here you see first you go to the prototypes, then go to the positions and you checked. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.